Hi, this video will show you how to explore the range of A if x squared greater than A times x minus 1 for all x. I am going to show you how to use Casio fx-9860GII to explore the solution with the dynamic graph. First, we move the cursor to the dynamic graph. And then press execute. Then enter the equation y1 equal to x squared. And then we press execute. Enter y2 equal to a times x minus 1. And then press execute. We are going to explore what happens to the graph when the value of a changes from minus 5 to 5. To do this, we go to variable which is under F4, and then we're going to set the value of a, press F2. So you can see that I start with minus 5, end with 5. Every time the step is 1. Once I finish enter, I press exit. And to control the speed, I'm going to press F3. I'm going to choose F1, stop and go. And then press exit. And now I'm going to render the graph by pressing F6 later on. Now I'm going to press F6 to generate the dynamic graph. And now you can see the graph. The curve is y equals x squared. The straight line now is minus 5x minus 1. Now, if I press execute, the straight line changed to minus 4x minus 1. And I press execute again, the straight line is minus 3x minus 1. And I press execute again, the straight line is minus 2x minus 1. Notice that the straight line is below the curve. Continue to press EXE. You find that the straight line is still below the curve. And this is still below the curve. When a equal to 1, the straight line is still below the curve. When a equal to 2, the straight line is still below the curve. However, when a equal to 3, some part of the straight line is above the curve. Therefore, we conclude that the value of a should be from minus 2 to 2. Observe that x squared greater than a times x minus 1 for all x if a less than 2 greater than minus 2. Can we verify this result algebraically? Recall that if ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0 for all x, or ax squared plus bx plus c less than 0 for all x, then we expect b squared minus 4ac less than 0. For our problem, x squared greater than a times x minus 1 for all x. So x squared minus a times x plus 1 greater than 0 for all x. So a squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 must be less than 0. After factorize, we have a plus 2 times a minus 2 less than 0. Use the sign diagram we achieve a between 2 and minus 2.